Welcome to the Introduction to EndNote 20 video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a library in EndNote 20. In order to share a library, you will first have to have a library synced to the online version of EndNote. For instructions on how to do this, please refer to the beginning half of video 7 in this series. To share a library, you will need to open up the library that you have synced with the online version of EndNote. First, what you'll want to do is make sure that you've had a recent sync of your library to ensure the online version of EndNote reflects all the changes in your current library. To do this, you just click Sync Status and then click Sync Now. Then, once it's finished syncing, you just click File and then Share from the resulting dropdown. And from there, a very similar format to how you would share a group. All you need to do is insert the email addresses of the people with whom you would like to share your citations and separate multiple email addresses using a comma. Now, the people with whom you want to share your library will need to have both an online EndNote account and also the desktop version of EndNote in order for you to be able to share your library with them. And make sure in this email addresses box to use the same email address that they use to log into their online EndNote account. Otherwise, they won't receive the email invitation. Here you can select which permission you would like to grant them. So read and write allows them to add, delete, modify citations. Read only allows them to access those citations and not make any edits to those citations. Once you're done, you can click Invite and they should receive the email invitation in their inbox. Now, the benefit of sharing an entire library instead of just sharing a group is that people with whom you've shared your library with will be able to access any attachments associated with the citations. They'll also be able to access the library via the desktop version of EndNote instead of via that EndNote Online account. So from their end, what this looks like is they can just open up the desktop version of EndNote, and up here they can click File and then Open Shared Library. So to open up one of the shared libraries, you just click the email address of the people who shared their library with you and click Open. And that should open up that shared library in a separate window. So if you make any changes to the library, make sure to sync that library before you close it. What this will do is it'll make sure that any changes you make will be implemented in the original library. Thanks for watching. For additional information or support, visit the eBling Library website at https://ebling.library.wisc.edu and click the Help button in the upper right-hand corner of the page for assistance.